So in this video, I want to show you guys how to blur video background in CapCut and essentially get that bokeh effect so you can go from a footage like this to a footage like this. Hopefully you guys are excited. Let's just dive right into this video. All right, so first and foremost, guys, let's just hop onto the computer. As you guys can see, this is my CapCut opened up. Don't worry, even if you have the CapCut mobile application, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that on the mobile as well. Just stick around until the end of this video. But on the desktop version, this is how it looks like. This is the screen right here, as you guys can see. You're gonna go ahead and create a new project, same as usual, nothing too fancy. And then all you need to do is drag and drop the footage that you want to blur the background for. Right here, as you guys can see, this is a simple footage that I have recorded with my iPhone, nothing fancy, no fancy gears, just a simple video. I'm gonna cut out the part that I want to blur. Let's say it's this part. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Command B or Control B on Windows to cut it out and have a footage, just clean footage looking just like this one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the effects, and then from the effects I'm gonna look up blur, and this right here is the blur that we are looking for. We're gonna go ahead and drag and drop to our timeline and then stretch it until the very end of it right here, as you guys can see. And then based on how much blurry you want your footage to be, if you just tap on the blur effect, you can use this tool to increase or decrease the strength of your blur effect. I usually like to leave it to somewhere from 35 to 30% right here. I think this gives you the most natural looking bokeh effect. But once you have that, you're gonna go ahead, click on your clip, and then copy this clip by right clicking it and then copy, or use the shortcut Command C, and then paste it on top of your effect. By default, it will post it below your effect, but you want to make sure you drag and then put it on top of your blur effect. And once you have done that, as you guys can see, this is again the footage that's without blur. Now what you need to do is you're going to go to the right side and then go to cutout, and then use this auto cutout tool that CapCut offers, and it's very conveniently automatically cuts off the background of your footage, which is really good. On Premiere or After Effects, this would take a lot of time to actually do it yourself, but on CapCut with the software, it's just super simple and easy. As you guys can see, it's just processing. Now it has completed, and boom, just like that, you will have a footage that is looking something like this. Look at this. How cool is that? You can't even notice that this was artificially created bokeh. It looks like a natural bokeh, just like on iPhone 13, 14, and 15, how they have that cinematic mode. It's basically the same thing. As I said, you can increase or decrease this strength of this bokeh to make it how you want. But to make it natural, I would say 30 to 35% is the most ideal version. But once you have the footage, you can just go ahead and click on your file and export it and use it however way you want. So on the mobile app, it's the same process. Make sure you have CapCut and the latest version of CapCut. Go ahead and open it up. You guys can see I've already done it. This is how it looks like. Very clean looking footage with that blur background. But now you're gonna go ahead and click on new project, same process. You're gonna import your clip right here, the same, raw footage. Make sure once you import it, just delete this at the end, the CapCut logo, delete it just like so. And then you're gonna go ahead and click on your effects right here, and then go to video effects. And then once you're in the video effects, you're gonna look up same thing, blur, click on search. This is the same effect that we used earlier on the desktop app. Just click on this blur. If you want to adjust the strength of it, you can just do it like so. Just tap on it. It's gonna bring this up, and then as I said, I'm gonna leave it to 30, and then drop this down, click on cancel button, and click on apply. Boom, just like that, this motion blur will be applied. And make sure you stretch it, hold and stretch it until the very end of this clip. So once you have that figured out, you're gonna go ahead, back out of it, and then go to overlay option right here. Overlay, click on add overlay. Just drag and drop the same, import the same exact footage right here, and it's going to basically put it on top of the earlier footage just like so, but it's not going to be fully zoomed in. So make sure you just hold your two fingers just like so, and then just zoom in to make sure to fit the entire screen. And then once you have done that, we're going to go ahead and move to the right side. Just scroll through and find the option that says remove background. So right here, remove background, click on it, and then go to auto removal and double tap, and then click on check. So it's gonna go ahead and automatically apply this feature. As you guys can see, it is processing it, and already footage is looking good, but it's gonna process it all the way until the end of this clip, and boom, right there, background removed. And now you will have that same clean looking blur video background, which is really, really cool. But nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, you know what to do. Leave me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe down below for more interesting, cool videos just like this one. But in the meantime, check out this video where I show you guys a CapCut tutorial for beginners to get you started. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.